everyone, it's Kerry back with you today. I've been making these little window envelopes. Well, I actually bought the envelopes, but I've been decorating them and it's super addictive. I've been having a great time doing it, so I thought I would bring you along today while I decorate a couple more. Now these ones I actually inked their backgrounds to get the colour on, but I have since tea-dyed some, so I've got a good stash of these. And I've been using some Tim Holtz little dolls, or the little paper dolls, but today I think I might use some of Reenie's little paper dolls because they're in lots of different colours. And I've also got some pieces from Reenie's Little Bits kits. I have some Tim Holtz curator snippets. And I've also got some numbers from one of the grungy sets. I can't remember the name of it, but all of the things will be linked in the description box below. So I think we'll just start with two to begin with. And I've got a little script stencil here and a fine detail stencil brush. So I think I'll bring in some brown ink. I've got scorched timber here. I'm just going to pop some ink on my brush and then randomly apply it over the top of my envelope. So I can see roughly where the circle is. I don't really want to get it on the circle, it's just going to wipe off anyway because it's acetate. So I'm just going to sort of aim for going around the circle mostly. Like that, and then I want a few bits that actually go off the edge of the envelope. So like that, and I'll just do the other one as well. And then I'm just going to use a little piece of tissue just to wipe any excess off my acetate. So I think I'll pick some people first. Quite like this little guy. And I think this news reporter as well. He might not be a news reporter, but he looks like a news reporter to me. So I'm going to pick some bits and pieces just to add some interest to my background. And I think I want to add maybe a little bit of greenery or something like that. So I've just got some acetate stickers here that have plants and bits and pieces on. Alright, so now I just want to add some sort of more little bits of detail. And I'm going to bring in my documented stamp set. And I'm just going to add some of these sort of postmarky stamps here and there. And I might add some little numbers. maybe even part of a signature. Now this ink takes just a little bit of time to dry. And just to finish off, I'm going to come in with something from the Tim Holtz Curator Snippets. That's just to add a little bit of a different colour. So there we go, another little envelope all decorated there. So I find these really fun to put together. So just to finish off, I'm going to add a couple of little pieces of my vintage tape that I made a while back. And there we go. Really quick and easy and so much fun to put together. So I hope you'll have a go at making some. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.